AgriSea was founded on the love of the land and respect for the sea. Everything we do here is about kaitiakitanga and looking after our land, for our land and our waters. AgriSea makes biostimulants primarily for our soil, improve soil health, animal health and pasture health.
Technology is across all aspects of our business, from the harnessing of the resource to the product development. Seaweed is an incredible natural resource, and using science and technology and partnerships to unlock that potential. We're
trying really cutting edge technology at the moment and looking at how we can further break down and utilise some of our seaweeds for purposes like increased animal health, reduced urinary nitrogen, medical care.
It's really important for us to acknowledge that Greentech is high tech, that technology that is good for people and planet is where we need to be spending our money and time.